Cassagen je huorachas is fulung.
12,000 sheep died in the last 20 years on Hiort from starvation, and probably about 4,000 lambs have been lost.
Hiort gaan je laat aan kolachlish, njoch imelachlish aan een berichten. Aatje en macha shallig.
And I would ask the vets in Scottish Government to go out there in March when there'll be ewes just slowly dying and then tell me why that's okay.
Na hootersen le frickersten.
The animals themselves are dying from old age, effectively, because we don't euthanise them the way a domestic farmer would euthanise his sheep population once they end their productive life. We're not in that situation at all.
En begaar de wachten dinge barach turres egal zuwe.
They are an ancient breed, totally unique to Scotland, that have been marooned on that island all that time. And they've been living this same life all that time. I don't think we should interfere with them.
Jespet me inneve cúdi hirscht, natere na njochúrimach.